Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello, I'm Kathleen Coombs, a local yoga instructor here in the San Bernardino Mountains, bringing you a meditation today with Yoga for You. So today we're going to use the visualization of a laser to help you relax all of the parts of your body. So first, I invite you to find a comfortable position. This one is best if you're laying down. And you can lay down in any position that works best for you. Some people prefer their resting position to be on their back. Some people like to lay on their side or on their stomach. Some people enjoy having their legs on a chair or up the wall. So I invite you at this moment in time to find any position that is comfortable for you. If you have supports that you would like a bolster to put under your legs or a blanket to put under your head or under your back, that is totally acceptable. So now that you have settled in, I invite you to find your stillness. And I want you to imagine a laser that's going to pass over your body. So imagine it like a light. And when it passes over, the section that has already passed will be relaxed and it will continue to move down. So we're going to start at the top of your head. Go ahead and close your eyes and start to take some smooth and even breaths in and out of your nose. Try to make your breaths as smooth and silky as you can. And as you breathe, allow for your belly to expand and contract with each breath. Try to use your breath to fill up the body cavity, and then breathe into those areas where you want to relax. Allow all the parts of your body to be heavy, drawn down to the earth, drawn down to the mat. And now we will begin our exercise in relaxation. Putting that laser in your mind, imagine that laser is beginning at the crown of your head. And as it is passing over that part, it is leaving behind relaxation and removing all tension and energy from that part. Continue to breathe as that laser passes over the forehead, down your eyes, over the bridge of the nose and down your cheeks, passing over your mouth and over your jawline, past your neck and down your shoulders, over your chest and down your arms, passing down the ribs and down your abdomen, over the forearms, and down to your wrists and hands, passing over the lower belly and your hips, over your thighs, over the knees and down the shins, and over the tops of your feet. Leaving behind your entire body in a total state of relaxation. Continue to lay here, breathing smoothly and evenly. Try to make the length of your inhale the same as the length of your exhale. Continue to breathe and rest for the next few moments. And I will bring you back in with the sound of my voice. I invite you to start to return to the present moment. Start by taking note of your breath and how it is moving in and out of your body. Maybe begin by making your breath a little bit more purposeful, using your breath to begin to wake up your conscience. Start by introducing a little bit of gentle motion. Maybe gently move your head back and forth. Start to move your fingers and toes. And then I invite you to take a nice stretch Take a nice big inhale and let it out as you release your stretch. And then turn your body to one side or the other. Take a couple of breaths here. And then using the strength of your arms, pushing yourself up into a seated position. Keep your head low. And then once you've arrived in your seated position, lift up your face. Take an inhale, bringing your hands overhead. And exhale, bringing them down. Inhale, bring them up. And exhale, bring them down. And then let's take one more final inhale, hands out and up. Exhale, bring them down to your heart center. I invite you to take this type of meditation anytime you're having a hard time falling asleep maybe, or just settling into a moment. This is a nice visualization that you can use to help you settle all of the body. Thank you for joining us on Yoga for You, and Namaste.